Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. It's Thursday, guys, and let's see what's really happening on the market. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and just don't forget that we actually do this almost every day. Monday to Friday, you will get some fresh updates. Also on Sunday, we do weekly analysis. If you've been here for quite some time, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening? Nothing much. We see that our markets are struggling. We know that Google actually Gemini or whatever, Gemini thing made Google to lose some, like, seriously 90 billion. But I think that it's just a matter of time. They're gonna correct every issue that they have with their AI. I don't think it's just going to sell forever. It's just panic or emotions, you see. So I saw that it was generating some stuff, so you can go through that, but it's just a matter of time before they update everything. I think it's gonna still go back to normal. So when we go on our economic news, we have personal consumer in expenditure, which is PCE. So this is actually also very important. It's very important, quite similar to CPI, but this actually measures the individual expenditure or spending. And on the forecast here or estimate, hey, things don't look nice there. Things don't look nice. They say this is gonna go higher, and that is crazy because we want it to go down so that they can actually think twice about their interest rates. Because if we start to hear about increasing the rates, then it's gonna be a problem. But if the forecast is saying that it's gonna go up, let's just hope that this number is gonna go actually lower than 0.4 that they expect, right? And that will push Nasdaq US30 to the upside. But for now, we just have to wait. And another way I can say, fortunately, we also have unemployment or jobless claims. So if these two economic news, they mixed up, the other one maybe might be positive and the other one negative, that might not actually push the market to move that much. So that they will be actually canceling each other, right? So yeah, I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you here. The next thing that I can show you is Bitcoin. It's flying. But before we go on that Bitcoin, you can see that on screen we have some our VIP signal packages. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. And if you are looking to join a prop firm, let me help you to win on your prop firm, and then maybe you can start to make some real cash on your profits, as the accounts mostly on prop firms are going to be quite bigger, right? So now we are actually on Bitcoin. What's really happening? Just this thing is actually flying, guys. You can see this move here. It's not really normal. From this breakout, we're talking about this actually a week ago. We were just breaking 50k, but guess what? We already broken out 60k. So it shows that the demand is high. And if we check nicely from this area, from 38 to this point, very quick, only within 2 months. Let me see. Let me show you. We were around this area 23rd of Jan. Now, before the end of Feb, we're already on 60. That is double. This is crazy. This is like seriously crazy. So anyways, it's not really easy to trade Bitcoin. It's better just to buy and hold. That is quite simple, because if you will just try to chase the moves, hey, you will lose very quick. So, but anyways, there's people who can trade that very nice. So this doesn't really cover everyone. So what we have here, you can see that the market is just flying. It's not really easy to say this is a resistance or something. Nope. You can see that we don't really have a proper structures. So which means we just have to wait and see. Maybe the market will try to reverse here and there, but you know what? Things are looking like very good. It's Christmas on Bitcoin. It seems like it's still going to fly, like seriously flying. So what's really happening on DXY dollar index? So on the dollar index, guys, the market has been trying to go down a little bit lower, but we can easily see that no, the market doesn't really want that. The market doesn't really want that. You can see that we are coming from a very proper downtrend, and here it was a very nice breakout, by the way. So now we can see that no, man, after that we had a proper breakout, but we were expecting the market to go to push up, as this shows that after we break out of this downtrend, we actually expect an uptrend, right? So we're expecting the market to keep pushing up, but it seems like the market is just doing the opposite. So it shows the market is pushing down. The question is, will this thing reach even this lower? If it does, it's gonna be good for us because I'm still holding that Nasdaq trades, right? So let's just hope that that PCE is not going to be nice. Then we will see some the market pushing lower, and plus we want it to go down because that will bring some good news that they're not going to, that they're going to cut the rates maybe sooner. Maybe that will be a very good stuff. So what we see here is the market did actually try to play games with us. You can see that smaller moves, they have some serious effects. You can see the market was around this area yesterday before we see this aggressive push to the upside. It seems like now the market wants to push the lowest side. But what I can say is we are now going to focus on this resistance and this support. So you can see that already the market did not really respect this resistance here, or we can just call it a support, you see. So which means it's up to the market. You can see the market is just playing around this area. So it's up to the market whether to go lower or to push up. But we just have to wait for the news to be released before we say buy or sell or anything. Simple as that. So we just need to relax, right? So let's push to the next one, which is actually USD JPY. It shows that yesterday maybe something has happened, especially against or on the JPY. I did not really check the economic news. But what's really happening here, it shows that since we reached this area of resistance, the market respected that area very nice. But I saw that anything that has to do with JPY, they were all selling or something like that. So you can see that they were all selling, which means JPY is quite stronger for now. And this is something that I also don't really like, because it's like the market is setting itself for later economic news. The market might reach this support and later the market start to push up nicely. And as you saw on the calendar, they say PCE might actually go up. Let's hope that maybe that is not going to be true. But now the market is on this support. We are actually expecting to buy there. So I'll be updating my people in the group about this. But since we have the news, it's better to just relax sometimes, just to wait for the economic news, because sometimes we can have some nice buys when we are still on a smaller profit, which we can even close. Let's say maybe we are here, then the market comes back and break out of that, or just went lower. Just goes lower, and that is not going to be nice with whatever that we will be doing, because we will be losing, you see. But what we see here is, yes, we are still on this nice uptrend. I'm expecting the market to continue pushing up. Let's hope that is not going to be the case, because we want the dollar to lose some momentum so that they can actually cut the rates, guys, you see. So but the structure is very nice. The structure is quite straightforward. Something like this can work very nice there. Then you will just play around with your stop losses, because you can see that we have a nice support there. Above there, you can say my first take profit is going to be there. Then the second one may be a little bit higher. But that is up to you. You will see what you can do there. So what's really happening on GBPUSD? The market has been going crazy, guys. The market has been going crazy. But We don't really have, there's nothing we can do. We just have to follow our market structure. So what do we see here? We can see that we are on GBPUSD. The market has been pushing a little bit slower and going down. And what we see here is we saw that the market was trying to give us a proper support here. And we said if the market breaks out of that, we can take that sell. And we did that, but the market, it seems to be reversing. We're not actually on the stop loss, but let's hope that maybe the market will be reversing. But on this one, it's different one because it shows that the dollar, it's not really that strong. So that's why we see GBP pushing to the upside. So, but we will see, we will wait and see if maybe the market will be turning in our favor. But we'll just have to see. So this week, you can easily see that we did not really have enough economic news. But last week, it was Christmas. It was just Christmas because we were eating left and right. So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening? You can easily see that, yes, the market is still actually on that. Sorry, it was on a nice downtrend. Then we had this breakout. So it shows that the market actually it's willing to go to the upside. But guys, you can see that we have this aggressive reversals there playing around there. So we just need to wait and see what will happen later on. So I will just draw this previous resistance. Now it's sort of a support on top here. I will just also draw something like that. So since the market is just going up and down, for us to be safe, it's better to stay out of the market and say, you know what, if the market will break this level of resistance, it's where we're going to just continue with our buy. Because if we buy here or anywhere, mostly the market just consolidates. So that is going to give us some losses. So the best way to do it, let's wait for a breakout. If maybe the market decides otherwise, it means that the market might end up breaking their support area and then continuing with that downtrend. Let's hope that doesn't really happen, but it's up to us to wait. Sometimes you just need to wait. Sometimes some opportunities, they will take time to present themselves. So you have to just relax and see what will happen then. Then you just place your notifications and stuff, then you will get what you want, right? So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? You can easily see that, no man, the market, it's actually going down. But it seems like even though it's going down, we have some crazy reversals along the way. So we had this pending order. I don't know if it's here or it's lower. So a few days ago. So, but before that, you can see that on top there, the market was respecting these areas. Very nice. You can see we expect the market to go lower, but it seems like the market is ready to play games. I think our stop loss, sorry, our sell stop was around this level. So I'm still expecting to see the market going down. But sometimes you can always be right, and there's nothing wrong with that. We don't really have to hide that. Sometimes the market can touch your pending order and reverse. But what I like is we're not actually fighting the market. We are going slower. And with that, obviously we can stay longer in the game and we can make money when times goes on. So that is part of the game. Plus, you don't really have to trade everything. Just focus on 2 or 3 pairs and just relax. So on that, it means you're gonna have very, very few trades, and at the same time, it means you will be actually applying your risk. As you're not trading every day, as you're trading very few pairs, that automatically it's part of risk management. So now we are actually on US30 Dow Jones. What's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, the market has been actually trying to push the upside for quite some time. And you know what? We do welcome that reversal. We have a proper reversal around this level. We have our reversal, aggressive reversal, by the way. Because if you still remember, we had a resistance around this level there. So the market decided to do what? To break this level. It was our previous support, sorry, resistance. So now the market came straight to this support. Unfortunately, just because we had this resistance and very closer we had a support, you can't just buy here when we have that resistance, which means we just need to wait for the market to break this smaller resistance or this diagonal structure so that we can buy above that. That's what we did here. You can see that we have a nice buy pending order here. So I'm expecting the market to do what, to continue, but this is going to be where we're going to lock our profit. Let's hope that the market will be pushing up, but the thing is we have some news later on. Let's hope that the market pushes up before that so that if we lock, we can lock. If we get out, we can just get out of the market, right? So yes, we have that buy pending order ready. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been playing games, guys. Nasdaq has been playing games with us, but it's fine. We're not actually over risking or doing something. We're not actually fighting the market. We are not fighting the market. So this is what we have here. You can easily see that, no man, the market is doing what? The market is actually on a very nice uptrend. Let me remove some of this because they might actually confuse you. Let me remove that notification because I have some orders there. I'm still floating in that negative since what? Don't know if it's since Friday or something. So I'm still holding those trades. But if the market breaks this area that I think it's a smaller support, then I will be getting out. So we have this smaller resistance there, but it's not really that important that much. Our job is just to wait and see if maybe the market will be breaking out here or pushing up. If not, it means the market will be ready to touch this support, and let's hope that is not going to happen. And if the news, let's say if PCE is going to be plus, yeah, that I think the market will be forced to touch this. So this is because of Google not performing very well, and now we are stuck in those trades. But maybe something will change later on. You can see that the market is struggling to push lower or to go lower. So which means bullish momentum is still very, very strong on this, because if it was indeed, or maybe on an aggressive bearish, we were going to see this type of moves, but they don't really happen, which means there is still fire in this momentum. So maybe we will see the market trying to push the up to go up again, and if that happens, that will be welcomed because we have some trades around these areas. So unless if the market tries to break out, because we can also ignore that, we can see that there is a chance that the market can do that. So we can't act like we don't really see that. So if it breaks, it means we will be out. We'll be looking around this area to buy again, or maybe the market will be reaching this sort of a horizontal structure before we look for those buys, right? So that's what it's happening on Nasdaq now. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who wants to be part of the team, you can just let me know. You can choose any a package there. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. For those who wants to learn from my mentorship, and if maybe you want to join a lifetime signals, you can get that discount and you will pay only $450, which means you're saving 400. You're saving actually $350 when you join mentorship and lifetime signals. So anyways, let's go on the next one and see what's really happening. The next one is going to be S&P 500 is not really struggling that much. So this is the hope that I have, that okay, maybe even Nasdaq will be doing the same thing, because we can see that yes, we've been actually pushing on this nice buy. So we have this resistance. So what we have there, it's not like maybe it has to be permanent. You see, we have this diagonal structure. It's just temporary for us to know when to buy. It's not like that is going to stay there forever. So actually we're supposed to make that line or one line. So it's supposed to be like that. So once it breaks that, it seems like it's trying to break. We have a pending order above that. So we will be ready to do what? To go to the upside. So around this area, I don't know if maybe that is going to be our potential resistance, but you know what, I'm expecting to see the market going up, as we are actually on an uptrend, and I like the reversal. At least the market gave us a sort of a reversal, so which means we will end up actually going higher again. You can see that the market is playing around at this previous resistance. Now maybe we can call that support, and we will see what will happen. Joseph. Germany is flying, guys. Germany is flying. Unfortunately, it's just flying. There's nothing that I can connect with. So we can just wait for a proper reversal. So on US oil, we can easily see that no, man, the market is still playing around this resistance, and we can't just buy. We know that yes, we're supposed to buy. You see this area, it's very, very, very important, because for quite some time now the market has been respecting that. Even back there, you can see that it's been actually trying to respect that area. So which means now we're just waiting for the market to do what? To touch our support. You can see that the market has been respecting these areas of support. Do you see that? The market has been respecting that. So this is what we are looking for. We're waiting for the market to reach this area before it pushes up. But unfortunately, it's like we have a smaller support there, which is still playing with the market. So it makes our job very easy just to relax. But if it breaks, then we will be looking for another buy above that resistance. But for now, we just need to relax and see what it's gonna happen. So guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. So yeah, I will see you on the next